How you doing, guys? Okay, so another vlog. As you can see, I'm walking to work. It's Friday, the last day of the week, and then we're going on the bank holiday. Okay, so it bucketed down on me before. Yeah, so it was colder this morning when I woke up. It was freezing in this morning, so okay. Oh, look at all that torrential rain. No, I didn't move the car either. Okay, so looks like all the cordons have been removed from this Ditton Junction. So as you gathered, it's the end of the working week, and it's going to be a beginning of a long weekend. Well, much longer for me because I have booked Tuesday off. What I'm going to do is enroll in college, so I hope I don't get caught again in this rain. I could swear I felt a little bit of it now. So if you look there, I'm not sure you can see it, but there goes some of our containers. Oh, lovely lick. Lovely lick. Fred Bassett. He's like a cartoon dog. He's like Dino out of the Flintstones.
Then I went to Guildford twice a week.
Lovely lick.
It was never the same thing. He was different. And then a week or two ago...
I'm finishing this vlog off now. Okay, you know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, and also press, if you've not already done so, press the subscribe button, and also a comment would be good. Okay, and also share with your friends on Facebook, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in another video.